Ingredients: ethyl methoxyamide, zinc oxide, diethylmethylsiya. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a first impression review on the Airlift Cushion Foundation that I got from Gfoxx International. I will leave their links below. I have the limited edition packaging, so may pagka rose gold, peachy yung ganap na packaging ko. It looks really socialin and mamahalin. Well, this is mahal actually. 1,980 ata to. Let me say. Okay, so this is 1,980 and free membership na daw siya. So is this networking? I'm not really sure. But I will leave the links below if you guys want to know more about this product and this membership kasi I am not sure what's going on. And the sponge looks like this. I've used it, obviously. Blue yung inside niya. Meron na siyang mirror na ganap dyan. And then, the actual product looks like that. And also, sabi dito push. Wait, hindi ko napansin yan noon ha. So, we'll see kung i-push natin ano mangyayari. Ala! Wait, did you hear that? Tapos ano na? I don't know what's going on. Push pa ba natin? Push ko pa ba to? Ano ba? Okay. Oh my gosh, hindi ko na alam kung paano siya ibalik. Pinush ko siya, tapos wala. Para lang siya na ano. Hello, did I break you? I broke you. Oh, okay. Wait, na-open ko lang siya. Ay! Okay. So, natatanggal pala ito. Okay, I get it. And yung mga claims niya. Let's check the claims, girl. Meron siyang 900,000 fine oxygenated holes. Oh! 900,000. Really? Oh my gosh. The cushion cream spills out of the pores finely like a delicate spray, char. While applying it on the face, it creates better contour and hydrates your skin without caking. I do agree with the hydration though. It really did hydrate my skin. As you continuously use the cushion cream, you will notice that it remains supple and does not slump over time. It is firm and supple in texture. It conceals and gives the face a radiant and natural looking effect without applying too much. I do agree with that. You do not need a lot with this, as in a little goes a really long way. So, sobrang sulit ng product na to. Anywho, I'll go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my face right now. Okay, please excuse the messy haircut. Tapos ko lang maligo, hindi ako nagsuklay kasi nagmamadali ako. Anyway, I will go ahead and apply this Airlift foundation right now. Saan na ba ito mo? Ooh, ang soft ng puff niya ha, in fairness. I have nothing on my face, by the way. Hindi ako naglagay ng moisturizer, hindi din ako naglagay ng cream ko. I'm gonna use the puff on one side of my face, and then on the other side, I'm gonna use a brush. Before I apply this on my face, I just want you guys to know that I have oily skin, and I have some, as you guys can see, very obvious pimple marks right there. Redness around my nose, pretty obvious, and meron akong eyelash. Make a wish, where? Yeah, make a wish. Okay, I need a wish. Okay, so directions for use: dab the cushion sponge with a puff, then gently pat the puff onto your face for brilliant and perfect makeup. Okay. Wait, swatch ko muna ha. I'm not sure if you can see this, but very, very watery ng consistency niya. And by looking at it, parang, oh yeah, it's way too light for me. It should match your skin tone as soon as na-blend mo na siya. So, we'll see. Yeah, very watery niya talaga. Parang nakikita ko na-absorb siya agad ng sponge. Okay, I'm gonna start with that much first. Oh, yeah. Very watery talaga siya, guys. It smells really strong. Not my favorite scent. Okay, a little goes a long way. Gustong-gusto ko yung sponge. The sponge feels really nice. And nabablend niya naman talaga ng maayos yung cushion foundation. So, I like that. That's what it looks like right now. Very, very light coverage. Hindi niya din na-cover yung redness around my nose. As you guys can see, nandun pa rin yung redness. Nandito pa rin yung mga pimple marks ko. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then I have a tiny red mark right here as well na hindi niya na-cover talaga. I can't say na as in nag-blend talaga siya totally sa skin ko. Pretty obvious na lighter yung dito na side compared sa wala pang cushion foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation on the rest of my face. I'm just going to apply the foundation using the sponge, but then I'm gonna blend it with this brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Paddle brush. Tingnan na natin kung mag-iiba yung ano niya, yung finish niya. Okay, first time ko gamitan tong brush na to with foundation. So, I got this brush pala from Prettyangelshoppe. I will leave her links below. This feels really nice on the face ha. Ang ganda nitong brush na to. Wow, my face looks really light. Wala naman siyang SPF. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more layer dun sa mga problem areas ko, like the pimple marks and then the side of my nose na may redness. And we'll see if makakover niya yon. I'm just gonna dab it on those areas right there. Yung redness na cover niya naman, pero yung pimple marks ko nandun pa rin. So, hindi niya na-cover totally yung pimple marks ko. I still can see it. Oh my gosh, I look really freaking light right now. Ito na rin yung gagamitan ko for my under eyes, just to brighten up my under eyes. So, hindi na ako gagamit ng concealer. I'm just gonna layer the foundation under my eyes. I really like the sponge. Feels really nice on the skin. Now, I look like a white lady. Definitely, hindi siya nagbe-blend sa skin tone ko at all. I do not know what to do with these. I'm gonna definitely set it with powder, and I am going to use a darker powder because I am just not feeling this. It's just way too light on me. I have my Revlon Nearly Naked powder right here. This is in the shade Medium Deep. Now, medyo okay na siya tingnan. Not completely matched pa din sa skin tone ko. Right now, it looks fine. Nakikita ko pa rin kahit na may powder na over the foundation, nakikita ko pa rin yung luminous finish niya. Feels really nice on the face. Very lightweight lang. Parang wala lang siya sa skin. It is now 11:07. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 3:07 ng hapon. My face, you guys, hindi siya ganun ka-oily tingnan. I mean, yes, may dewness ka nakikita, but not bad at all for someone na may oily skin gaya ko. I'm gonna blot and see, hindi din siya mainit sa mukha at all. Same as kanina, sobrang lightweight lang din niya sa skin ko. I'm just really surprised kasi hindi siya oily at all tingnan. Okay, so that's what the blotting sheet looks like. Not bad at all. As in, sobrang nakokontrol niya yung oils ko. Pero kailangan din natin i-take note na yung ginamit kong powder is my Revlon Nearly Naked powder. That one is really good when it comes to mattifying the face as well. Now, nakikita ko na unti-unti na siyang nagmamatch sa skin tone ko. Not quite there yet. Siguro mga 97% match na siya sa skin tone ko. Hindi na siya kasing puti ng kanina. One thing lang na napansin ko, nag-wear off na siya on some parts of my face, like my under eyes. Diba kanina, I applied 2 layers sa under eyes ko. So, parang ginamit ko siya as my under eye concealer. With this foundation, you cannot double it up as a concealer or brightener. Well, it's not a concealer. But you know what I mean? Hindi mo siya magagamit as ganun. Kasi nag-wear off na siya dun sa part na yun At saka sa sides of my nose din, yung foundation nag-wear off na din siya doon. Like, kitang-kita na yung redness around my nose. For the most part, nandun pa rin naman siya. I'll get back to you guys later for my final update. It is now 8:37 ng gabi and my face looks kinda dewy right now. Also, I'm not sure if you can tell, pero may mga parts ng mukha ko na parang mas maputi compared sa rest. Like, dito, around my mouth. I don't know if you can see that. Dito, way lighter than the rest. Tapos yung dito na part din. Which is weird kasi kanina, nung pag-check-in ko kanina, okay naman. Ngayon, may mga parts na pumuti siya. Though, it still feels really the same. Parang wala lang siya sa skin. Tapos, hindi din siya malagkit sa mukha kahit na sobrang init today. So, this is what the blotting sheet looks like. Mas maraming oil tayong nakuha ngayon compared sa kanina. Kung iisipin mo yung presyo, I don't think it's worth the price. First of all, very light lang yung coverage niya. Tapos, kahit na i-layer ko pa siya, hindi ko pa rin nakukuha yung coverage na gusto ko. So, hanggang light coverage lang talaga siya. Hindi siya umabot ng medium coverage sa akin. Kasi ako personally, for a foundation, I expect it to give me at least medium coverage. If not, magbi-BB cream, CC cream na lang ako, diba? So that's one downside. Yung pangalawang downside niya, it's way too light on me. And it is supposed to match the skin tone. Kasi wala kang choice Isa lang yung shade niya. Yeah, I just don't get it why they say it should match your skin tone. Tapos hindi naman pala. Pero meron din naman siyang mga pros, like very lightweight, parang wala lang siya sa skin. It gives you that luminous finish. If you have really dry skin, you can try this. Tapos, the sponge works really good. I really like the sponge. Feels really nice. Feels really mamahalin. And also, the packaging and the way they present their product, very luxurious din naman. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, actually tapos na akong mag-film. Like, clinose ko na yung, yung review ko. But, I forgot to tell you that I did take a flash photo right after ko mag-check-in. Yung second check-in ko, right after that, I took a flash photo. And the flash photo looks really nice. Ang ganda niya sa photo. I just want to share that. I think that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget vegan. Bye guys! Come on! My internet is really slow. Now nakikita ko na unti-unti na siyang nag-match sa gives a really nice luminous